Hello everyone, I am Raghav Kohli. I am a third year UCI mechanical engineering student with a minor in material science. Today, the question for this video would be tell me about the process of completing all your requirements. How did you find about them? Did you go to the counselor? What worked and did not work? Did you attend any college fairs? Did you visit other universities? So I'm going to start off by telling you guys about my final year of my community college, during which the college applications were due. And what I did was, even before getting into the applications, I did my research and I made sure that which universities I want to apply to, depending on the benefits in terms of the programs that they offer, what are the requirements, or what other things that you guys have particularly in priority. So just check it out. Campuses. So for many students and my friends, the campus was one of the big things. Like they wanted a big campus. They didn't want a small campus at the same time, and they wanted some campus that is inclusive and it's not dead and it's not just nerds roaming here and there. So that's some of the students' requirement. For me, my personal search was based on how good the UC is, how good their mechanical program is, and the science department, and also the campus. So I did not want a huge campus, but at the same time, I did not want something that's super small. I wanted a decent size. So UCI was definitely one of the best choices. So how did I start? The first thing I did is I met with my counselor and made sure that I have all the requirements, the prerequisite classes done before applying. And if you guys are doing I get C or partial I get C, just make sure you guys have it done. I would suggest going with the complete I get C than a partial. It's just that once you have your general education out of the way, then you can completely focus on your major. The process of completing your requirements and how did you find about them? So I went to my college counselor. Since I was an EOPS student in my CC, I talked to the counselor. I was like, I want to go to UC, and he pulled up assist.org and just gave me the classes and um, the classes and the GEs and the engineering classes that I need to get accepted in the mechanical engineering. And then what worked and did not work. Okay. Also, did you attend any college fairs? Yes, I did attend college fair. There were many college fair that my community college would host. We will have every semester at least 2 to 3 visits of campus representative from UCI, UCLA, UCSD, UCSB, Cal State Fullerton, Cal State Long Beach. We had Pomona, Cal State San Luis Obispo. We had Berkeley representative coming in. Basically, we had all the colleges, even private colleges, rep coming in. And then one thing that did, since you get emails from your college um, transfer center, I would just keep checking on those emails and make sure that I don't miss on the campus representative visit for the campus that I want to go to. So I made an appointment with the UCI rep. I told him at the time I did not finish my calculus 2 or something, and I had a question. I was like scared if I would get admitted or not, and he was like, "Oh, that's okay since you're doing it in the summer before transferring, so you should be okay." So that question was one of the big questions for me at that time because my college counselor did not know the answer to it. So he was just the campus rep who could guide me in the right direction. So yeah, campus rep really helps. They tell you about what their college is looking specifically. So in terms of UCI, it says about your essay, right? So since we all are STEM majors and STEM is super competitive field, the colleges rarely focuses on your extracurricular activities or your other stuff, and their main focus and concentration is on the grades. So what I did basically, my essay questions were written, I would say, 3 weeks before the deadline was due. I started writing my essays. Literally, like, I think 4 days before the deadline for submitting the UC application, I had my essay sent to my counselor for a review, and he proofread it, and I had one more professor read it for me, and that's it. I did not have many people read my essay, nor I did give it much attention or like much worries about my essays, because I was mainly focused on my grades and maintaining a good GPA, and that's pretty much what I did. So just do not stress over the essay questions. Don't spend months just making the right essay and thinking like what is right, what they want. There is no such thing as the right perfect essay. Just tell your story, where you're coming from, what you're doing, what's your background in, what are you looking to get out of the UCs, and just answer the question to what you think. And you all will be STEM students, so do not even like think about or worry about those essay questions. That's one of the big things. And then yeah, so after I submitted my essays, I got um, my offers, and then I did not visit any university in person at the time. Funny thing, I was staying in Irvine, and I for 3 years, and in those 3 years, I never visited UCI. I just went to the library and came back from UCI library. I never went in, took a campus tour or anything until I was accepted in the university, and I was accepted in UC San Diego as well, because these were like the two I was debating among the rest. So since I was debating among these two, I went to UCSD to give a campus visit, have a campus tour, because once they accept you, they UCs host campus tours throughout the year, every quarter. And specifically, if you're a new student who's potentially going to be coming in, they do host tours. And if you're debating among two universities and you can go and see it in person, I would definitely suggest that, because I was being favored to UC San Diego, but after going and seeing the campus and seeing how big it is, and just talking to my friends and knowing how socially dead the campus is technically, but that's what they say. And also after going to UCI campus tour, I saw like the campus is not like huge like UC San Diego, but it's not a super small campus as well. It's a decent, pretty good size that I would want to be in. It has the Aldrich Park in the center, so it's like a circle if you see the UCI map. And that's what I liked about it. Like, it's easy to connect. I like greenery. I like to be near environment. So that's one of the things was UCI, and moreover UC San Diego was just huge. Like, I can imagine me walking from a science building to the library, and I would be tired over there. So yeah, do visit campus if you're debating among anything. Also, the second thing was the financial aid. So every UC would give you different package. They would have different scholarship that you will be offered. So if you guys have any financial situation and you are dependent on that, so see which one university is giving you more aid and a better financial package, and go for it. Besides that, I think that's how I made my decision for UCI. So two key things to take away from this video is, do not stress about the UC application essays. They're just essays. If you're a STEM, since you guys are STEM, they only focus on grades. So do not add or stress about the essays, and try to make it the perfect one. And number two is, do visit the campus before accepting the university, or try your best to visit it, because going and seeing the campus in person compared to seeing it on a computer screen is completely different, and you would really have a good idea about where you're gonna be spending your next 2 to 3 years of your life, and how the community would look like. But yeah, good luck with your college, and I hope you guys do the best.